In this video, I want to show you how you can download and install Vray for Rhino. So let's jump directly in the official website. So right now we have Vray 5 for Rhino 7. And if you want to know more about Rhino and how to install it, if you don't already have, you can check the latest video guide on our YouTube channel. Just click here, search for Rhino 7. You will find how to download and install Rhino 7. So basically Vray is a plugin for Rhino 7 in this case, but it's not only for Rhino. You can see that you can use Vray for many products like 3ds Max, Maya, SketchUp, Revit, Cinema 4D, and a lot of other software. And so this is a plugin which is used for rendering and to create materials, lighting, and really realistic effects, as you can see here. You will find all the information that you need in the official website. And you can also check if you already know Vray, you already used the previous versions of Vray, you can see what are the new features in this latest product. You will find everything here in the official website. So you either can try the trial version of Vray, so you just sign in or you create an account and then you will download for free Vray, but you will be able to use it just for a limited time. But if you buy it, you can use it anytime, and it's not so much expensive. So let's check the prices here. Buy online, and this is in euro. Well, it's 50 per month, but if you consider that if you work with Vray and Rhino, this is a fair price. And this is the annual payment and other stuff here that you can check. Also, when you will log in into your account, you will be able to buy or try also previous versions of Vray, for example, Vray 4 for Rhino 6 or Vray 3 for Rhino 5 and so on. So in this video, I just want to do an introduction. I will show you really, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into action.